Hi, I'm Dr. Leslie Gray at Dermatology Center of Atlanta, and October is a really big month for us here at DCA. It is our 23rd anniversary this year. We actually opened our doors for the first time in October of 2000. And we know all the success we've had, and actually the joy that we have of doing what we do is thanks to you, our amazing DCA patients. And so in order to celebrate you guys, we every year in October have a customer appreciation night, which is a really fun night. We hope you can join us. This year it will be Wednesday, October 18th from 4:30 to 7:30 p.m. During the event, you can save 20% on gift certificates that you can use all year long. You can also save 20% on our amazing medical grade skincare products. In addition, we have some of the top vendors from the aesthetic dermatology industry. You can pepper them with your questions. All the providers will be there as well. There's tons of raffles and giveaways that you can only do at the event, and it's just a lot of fun. However, it is a very popular event and you must RSVP. The information on how to RSVP is found in this newsletter. You can invite your friends, but they need to register as well, so there'll be a link on that so that you can send the RSVP to your friends and they can register themselves as well. So we hope you can join us for the event. If you can't make the event, no worries. We have you covered. On Monday, October 9th, we will actually open what we call pre-sale week, where you can purchase your 20% off gift certificates and products 20% off online in our online store. We'll be sending you information on how to do that starting on Monday, October 9th. And each day that week, we're also going to be doing something what we are calling the Best of the DCA Video Vault series, where each day we're going to feature a different aesthetic procedure or some information on some aesthetics that hopefully will be of interest of you. You'll be able to select from prior DCA videos, educational videos, and there'll also be a very special prize every day that you can win. So make sure you check that out. Check your emails, it's really important. October, in addition to being our anniversary month and our customer appreciation night month, it is also Breast Cancer Awareness Month. As many of you know, I was recently diagnosed and I'm just finishing up my own treatments. I feel extremely grateful to have caught my cancer early, thanks to my annual mammogram. So I encourage you all to get your mammograms yearly. In addition, many of you know Dr. McGee, who is our amazing provider. She's actually approaching her 4-year cancer-free anniversary mark. And we have a few other DCA family members and staff that have also been affected by breast cancer, as I'm sure many of you have family, friends, and loved ones have been affected by this awful disease. So this year we are having our Pretty in Pink raffle bag. This wonderful bag, cute cup, is jam-filled with tons of products and procedures that you can enjoy. It's over $2,000 in value. You will get information starting in pre-sale week on how to purchase your raffle tickets, which you can do in our online store. You can also do it at the live event. At the event, again, you'll be able to enter for this raffle as well as many other raffles. There's tons of door prizes. So we do hope to see you there on Wednesday, October 18th. And thank you again for 23 amazing years at DCA.